Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a yarn unboxing. Welcome to ice yarn unboxing. Ice yarn or yarn paradise. Okay, remember I've been crocheting this chicken, just rooster actually. It was the rooster curtain, and I was freaking out. I already talked this about on my live stream, and I was crocheting with this yarn. It was cotton yarn that I bought, and just wanted to show you. So this is the yarn that I crocheted it with. It's cotton yarn. Okay, so the thickness is about a 3 weight, and I was just freaking out because no matter where I bought it from other sellers, and the color did not match. I even bought it from AliExpress. Let me just pull that. I received it yesterday. It came. Took us precious time. Oh, everything's falling down. Okay, it said cotton, but this is acrylic. But, oh, again, that fell down. Sorry about that. 3 of the balls fell down. But it's the same color. Just want to show you. Maybe there is a little bit cotton. I don't know. But can you see it's the same color? So this would have worked out. This was, well, this is more of a white. Can you see? Yeah, that's the thing. This is more of a white. So this wouldn't work on the yarn. But at the end, I had enough. And the Caron cotton that I had was a little bit thick. So, but the color was matching. Just a little bit thick. So I did finish it up. Like I had just a little bit this left to crochet to finish it up, believe it or not. So, I ended up finishing with this. But meanwhile, while I was freaking, I received an email from Ice Yarn that Lorena was on sale. See, for Canadians, when we spend $19.99 and over, we get dinged for custom charges. Because this comes with FedEx, UPS. Well, usually I receive my packages with FedEx. DHL, they charge us $19 and over, and that plays around. The cheapest is $19 and over. Sometimes I paid $35, sometimes I paid $25. It depends on, I guess, how they charge and how much yarn we buy. I don't know. So I was trying to get away with that, not to pay that $20 and extra. So when this went on sale, so like usually the price is 10 Canadian dollars and some change. When you buy 2 bags, it's over $20, right? So this went on sale for $9. So I bought 2 packs. This arrived when last week. This arrived last Friday, was it? I can't remember. So this went on sale. I bought it on a Black Friday. I was just over the moon. This is the same yarn as I have crocheted with the curtain. Okay, this is the exact same yarn. Instead of going with other sellers, I should have just, see, it's this. Well, this is way better quality than this, just to point out. See, it's the same exact. Okay, so this is the Lorena cotton. I believe it's 50-50 cotton. And I can't see, but it says it's a 2 weight, I believe. Does it? 2 weight? It's not a 4 weight. I can't see my my other glasses. But I think it says it's a 4 weight, but no way, Jose. This is a 3 weight. It's way thinner than a 4 weight. Okay. So when I received this, well, I didn't even receive it. So I received another email that they're doing Cyber Monday, and I was like, oh my goodness! So it went down to $8. I was just so happy, And I did have another yarn in mind, but the price was too high. And I was hesitate to buy that one because I don't want to go over $19.99. Canadians will understand me. You know, you get tired of paying custom fees all this time. Like, you know, $20 buying yarn is nothing. You know, they add up so fast. But FedEx, yeah, we do get paid, charged a lot for the custom. So that's the reason I am now, no way I'm not going over. So this just arrived, right, like, I don't know, 5 minutes ago. So I am opening it in front of you. I want to show you the other yarn that I bought. I did buy similar yarns compared to that. But the thing is, I think I crocheted a poncho. For this one, I'm going to knit a shrug. Okay, so here we go. I'm opening it. So I ended up buying one bag. Of the Lorena. So this is the number if you want to go and check. Where is the number? Here's the code, but it's on regular price, unfortunately. I'm sure a lot of Canadian people went and grabbed the bag, 2 bags for $20. Like, that's a good deal. Because here we don't have these yarn in our local yarn shops. We don't have it at Michael's. Caron Cake was the closest that we can get. But I want to pull up the cotton first. Okay, so I bought a bag. So I have, this is the white again. This is the white. This is not the cream. I thought I bought the cream, but thank God I didn't. So now I have 3. I'm going to be hoarding these. So I have 3 packed. And, okay, this is the, oh, wow. So this is the yarn that was 10 something. See, I couldn't buy when this was on regular price because then it's over $10, right? Oh, look at, but there's lots of yarn in here. Look at the color. I just fell in love with the color. I think I have this in my stash. I just realized. But I think it's a thinner yarn. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I do. I always go back to the things that I buy. Yeah, the yarn that I bought. So this is 80028. And it's called Bella Mohair. This was not on sale. I'm not sure. Was it on sale? No, I don't think this was on sale. But this was on sale. So that's how I got the free custom charge thing. Because it's under 20 Canadian dollars. Okay, oh yeah, this is super soft. But I did buy other brands from other yarn companies. People that sell. Look at the color. So it would be enough to knit shrug. It's 150 gram. And it says it's 15 mohair because it won't itch. It has 63 acrylic, 15 premium. I think that makes us, no, polyamide makes it soft. And 5 premium. So it has a little bit, you can even knit a crochet shawl, but it would not be enough for a poncho because, you know, when you crochet, you can knit if you want. Yeah. But I just love it. So there's 300 gram. I can even make one for myself. This would be nice. Can do top down. I would highly recommend if you want to knit and if you're a plus size, try my tutorials. I do have top down. So I just wanted to share this excitement. You know, always watch, look up for the sales. If you live in Canada, there are Caron Cake yarns that are out there in different colors at Michael's, but unfortunately, not, I think I had a ball here. Yeah, I do. Here's one. See, I can always make something and add this with the white and crochet something with these because you can always find these at Michael's. especially if you get the 40% off, you can get a good deal. Like it comes to, I don't know, $9 or something with the GST and stuff with the tax. And it's the same weight. I know it says 4-weight, but these are not 4-weight. These are 3-weight. See? 4-weight is way thicker. Let me see. Yeah, I just wanted to show you if I had any 4-weight around me, but none of them have labels. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you my excitement. Yeah, watch for the sales, especially if you're buying from Ice Yarn. Because the shipping, when you compare it, even from Alberta, we pay $20 for shipping. Yeah, even though I live in the same province, right? So with FedEx, I think it's a great deal, and it arrives in 3 to 4 business days. And I don't have to deal with the post office, Canada Post Office. They bring it to my door. Don't have to go and pick up the package from the post office. So I'm just so happy, and I will definitely keep on looking. So this is a number 1 for me. I'm so happy that the color matched, but unfortunately came late, and I did finish it. So yeah, it's the match. It's the match. I did cut a little sample for me to compare, because I bought these 2 kilogram, just under 2 kilogram I paid. And they're not cheap. And it took, I don't know, over a month to arrive. So just to want to give you an idea. I try these other sellers, but I always go back to Ice Yarn. I've been buying from Ice Yarn almost 20 years now, because I do have an account with them. And what I do is, if I see a sale, I go and buy it from Ice Yarn. It's under my same account. Then I go and buy it from Yarn Paradise as soon as they ship this package. So if there's a deal, because these sell very fast. Even this was it was sold out, and then they put it back again, so I was happy. The color matches, I have no problem. I had no problem. If I do, I message them, and they fix it right away. Indeed, they do have a Facebook group. If you're interested, I can always put the link. So I'm happy, and I did message the seller. If she said I don't have any, so that's the thing. See, when you go and buy it from these other sellers that are not around 20 years like Ice Yarn, because they buy it from somewhere else, and then they sell them, right? So that's the thing. So it's always good to find the yarn that you're looking for. So I'm happy. I just couldn't believe it. It's the same color, it's the same thickness. So it shows me, don't shop around, Frida. Go to the same seller that you've been dealing with almost 20 years, I guess. Yeah, because my account is 13 years old. I check what I buy. I compare the prices. And I check if I always go back to my account to check if they have the same yarn. If they don't, I ask them to send me a notification, and they do. So yeah, so just wanted to point out, yeah, I'm really happy with my buy. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, you guys take care, and I will see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So I love this color, so you will be, look at it, and you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. It reminds me of those pictures, they take the picture from the space, from the sky. Yeah, just love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. You guys take care. Bye-bye.